to Brownie Point. So today I'm going to be cleaning a stained mattress. Now normally my toddlers, they would have accidents at night, so I'm going to show you guys how I clean this small stain out of this mattress. Now here are the ingredients that I used. Now I have done dish soap, peroxide, alcohol, baking soda, white vinegar. Now I did decide to use 2 extra things towards the end of the video, and that was this Lysol hydrogen peroxide spray, and I decided to use the Clorox wipes, but I'm going to use that towards the end. Instead of doing 1 cup, I decided to make 2 cups. So that way, if I was to run out, I didn't have to go back and get more. So I did 2 just to be safe. Now, when you decide to make this, you want it to be at a nice pasty consistency. You don't want it to be too thick and not too watery. You want it to be just right. Now guys, I'm just pouring my concoction onto the mattress, and I am wiping it with a washcloth while trying my best to remove those yellow pea stains from the bed. Now, in the video, you can't see it too well, but then again, it wasn't that bad. But for me, I just didn't want to see any pea stains in the bed. Now, the reason why you use peroxide, it helps with stains and it helps with odor. And another thing that helps very well with stains is alcohol as well. Alcohol is very great for stains, especially paint stains. So if you guys happen to get paint stuck inside of your child's clothing or something like that, use alcohol. Alcohol will bring that acrylic paint up. So that's why I decided to use those 2 things. And vinegar helps with odor as well, and so does baking soda. Baking soda is your best friend when it comes to cleaning. Baking soda and vinegar, best friends. So I still have a few stains here, but I decided to just take it to the garage once I got those stains out, and then I decided to spray it with that Lysol spray. I sprayed it all in that little spot to help get that smell and to help get the rest of those small stains out. And I just sprayed around, and I came back with that Lysol wipe, and I wiped that area. And I decided to let it sit in my garage and let it air out for 2 days. I let it sit out for 2 days, and I let it dry completely. And it was good to go. The smell was gone and the stain was gone, so it was good to go. Now, something that I did not put in this video because it didn't come soon enough, I did decide to order a plastic mattress wrap, so they wouldn't have these accidents anymore. So once I ordered from Amazon, I put it on the mattress when it came later. I just took everything off and I put it on. But I'm going to put it in the link down below so that you guys can order a mattress cover for the bed, so y'all won't have to be cleaning and scrubbing mattresses like me in this video. But I do hope that this was helpful for you guys, because it is common for our little ones to have these accidents. So don't fuss at them too much. Just help them out. Help them with the potty training, and they're going to be good to go. But I hope that this video will help you guys. Please like and subscribe to our channel and ring that bell to get these notifications. Thank you guys for watching this video. I'll see you all soon.